Hi everyone!
Hi there.
Where are all our brides at? Mother of the brides, maids of honor. Well, we have some DIY save the dates to show you today. Super easy to do at home. We're coming to you from Zulily headquarters. I'm Shelby and I have my mom Julie here with us.
Hi there. Welcome back,
She
everyone.
is amazing at making cards and she has some great ones to share with us today.
So these are a lot of fun, and we were thinking it'd be fun to show you guys how quick and easy you can make these. So, Shelby, you're gonna get to jump right on board.
Oh yeah,
with
and we
these.
have our first one right over there.
Yeah, the first one, we have a couple size ideas because I wanted you guys to see you can either do these in 5x7 or 4x6. So of course the smaller is 4x6, 5x7 here. And these are just photos of recent friends of yours that were engaged.
I've known Chase and Brooklyn since middle school and actually elementary school and middle school. And they recently got engaged, so we're going to be using their photo today.
Yeah, and what we've done is we've just printed them out, and we've also chose these beautiful fonts that we just printed out online on vellum paper.
And you can even handwrite this yourself if you want to get super personal.
Yeah, and it just makes it more fun, but two ways to do that. And what is vellum paper? It's a little curled up here because I wanted you guys to see how thin it is. It's almost tissue thin. It's not like a cardstock. So it beautifully will showcase whatever photo you put behind it.
Your engagement photos.
Yeah, your engagement photos would be a great way to start off this DIY.
So I'm going to get started making one of these, aren't I?
Yeah, so we're going to take the 5x7 just because then everyone can see how easier for you. So we've already cut it to fit, and Shelby, you're just going to use a basic hole punch. We use an 1/8 of a hole punch. It's the very
and I'm going to hole punch it with both of the pieces, the picture and the paper together, right in the center.
Just in the center, line it up, and don't put it through their eyes, but
easy enough.
And then I've picked up some mini brads. There's larger brads and there's mini
small
brads.
If you can see.
Just a gold mini brad, and you're going to feed it right through there, Shelby.
All right.
If you have trouble with those beautiful nails, let me know.
Oh, I think I got it.
Okay.
And you can see on the back, you just open up the brad.
Yeah. Close them through the back so it adheres both pieces together.
Wow, how easy was that? I can do it.
How easy is that? And see how see-through that is. You can still see them. And then that's a 5x7, so you're gonna just pop that in a 5x7 envelope, easy to mail.
Perfect.
There's no extra postage needed on those. So that's one quick and easy way to do a DIY for your save the dates.
And then the other one that you brought to share is right over here. Why don't you tell us about this?
And this one, no photo involved. So this is just white cardstock that we've printed out, save the date, and of course Brooklyn and Chase.
Oh.
And then Shelby, we're gonna have you try this because we've got it ready. I want to show them how easy it is.
And this one is super cute because it's a little play on words.
It is a play on words.
Tie the knot. And
knots.
we're going to be tying some string into a knot.
We're going to tie the knot with the knots.
Perfect. So how do we get started?
We're going to start by using this cute little heart hole punch.
And as you guys are going to see, there's the heart on here. You can really get any shape, but you know, it's the season of love.
Yeah, the season of love. And then the easiest way to use these is if you turn them over.
Okay,
because
good
you
tip.
Can see what you're doing. Yeah. And this is a line that lines it up for you, so you can line it up dead center.
And where do you want to put this on the card?
Right
in between
here.
The writing?
Because we're going to go through here. So right in between the line, and then on the other side as well. And then I've got some really great twine. And you can use anything, you guys, if you're into ribbons or you want to use the baker's twine. This is just your natural twine that I've chosen.
And you're going to feed it through the
back
to
the front. And once you've done that, Shelby, you're going to go ahead and tie a knot. Of course, tie the knot.
All right.
Right dead center there.
And make sure your strings are even.
You've got it.
Simple enough.
And then just hold it down. Now this is fun, whether you choose to do one of these or both, it could be fun to do both. And then also tie the ends here, because I think that would be cute. You can pop some bubbly with your girlfriends or the wedding party or mom and everyone else.
Mother-in-law, future mother-in-law.
Get everyone involved, and you guys can all make these. And get them
grab
ready
some
to
chocolates.
Send out. Oh, chocolates are
what
good.
A fun night.
Yeah.
And it's great because this way you can make something that is super personalized, and we can cut these strings down a little bit.
You can cut those down. There you go.
And it's coming directly from you, helps you save money.
These are great money-saving ideas for your wedding. If you're
So
looking for areas to
cute.
save, they're beautifully done.
I think yours might have turned out a little better than mine, but of course, because
No,
you're
you do a great job. You do a great job. But how
Moms
fun
know
are
best.
these? These are just beautifully made, and that's
Yeah.
what we always strive to show you is elegant things that are easy for
Yeah.
you to make at home. We hope you'll try these.
Yeah, well, thanks again so much for
Thanks for
joining us and
having
sharing
me.
these DIY Save the Dates. We hope you guys all try these out there and make sure to shop Zulily for all your crafting supplies and needs. Bye.